Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Searching in Lazada. So right now I'm going to teach you how to search in Lazada. So searching in Lazada, you may think it's very easy and you'll find something and you will maybe within 1 minute you have found what you want, but it's more complicated than that because sometimes you don't find what you want and the price is a little bit high. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. So right now we're going to search for a mouse. Let's look for the mouse. And when you're here, you will see all the mouses that will pop up. And right now, if you don't like the price, click on the price. There we go. As you can see, these are the lowest price of the mouse. But if you see it and you still don't like it, click on the discount. And if you like something and you don't know if it's good or maybe it's a bad choice because it may be low price but bad quality, so let's check at the stores. So here are the stores that can be trusted right now. Last Mall is one of the stores that can be trusted in Lazada. As you can say, Last Mall. So these are the stores that gives you a quality mouse if you buy. So right now, let's say if you don't like those mouses because those mouses doesn't look great or doesn't look, it's not your type of mouse, and you want your own mouse but you forgot the name of your mouse. So the thing you need to do is, as you can see on the top right next to the search, is there a camera. So click on the camera, and once you click on the camera, as you can see right now, just take a picture of your own mouse. Click on your own mouse. It's loading, and there you go. Here is your own mouse or my mouse. This is my mouse right now. So as you can see right now, that's how you search items in Lazada. So I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.